Let's see how to build your customers' emails and phone number list. So if you want to send any kind of marketing campaigns or if you want to promote your offers, you actually need to collect your customers' emails and also the phone numbers as well. So when it comes to list building, you can actually try these kind of things, such as you can run contest or giveaways, you can offer discounts and offers, and also you can ask the customers to sign up for the VIP memberships, or even you can provide early access and previews if they actually share their phone number or email address. And finally, you can also promote any kind of webinars and workshops. From there, you can actually collect the customers' email and phone numbers. So in this video, I'm going to discuss how to collect these emails and phone number, and also do email marketing and SMS marketing through asking customers to sign up for the VIP memberships. So here I have already created a simple flow over here, the chatbot script. So here we are going to build this particular chatbot script over here, and after that I will show a live demo of how this works, like how we actually send SMS, emails, and also the DMs as well. So let's get started over here. So let me simply name this chatbot flow as list building SMS email. So here we are in the analytics. Let me go to flows over here. So in flows, you can actually build this kind of no code chatbot flows. So let me create a new flow and name this flow as list building SMS and email. So here we are going to start the chatbot by saying, hello, welcome to Chatting Media. To join our VIP membership and exclusive benefits, tap the button below. So after that we have to add the button. So let me build this one over here. So here you can actually by default it will be chosen as omnichannel. That means whatever you build will be automatically works on all these channels if you connect those channels. So let's go with that one, and let me simply paste this over here. And here we have to add a button, become a VIP. So what I can do is I can simply add the button over here, become VIP, and if you want you can add any emojis as well. So yeah, save. And the next step, so if someone says they want to become a VIP, you can even actually add this kind of hand emojis which is pointing down, increasing the click rates over there. And we simply say, to get started, may I know your name please. So first step, we are simply collecting their name. So here you can simply, when someone click on this button, we want to send them next message, and here we want to collect the name. So here we have to choose get user data, and we have to ask them for their name, and here you have to choose a text. So it's a text field, and here you can choose this full name as well, and we actually want them to enter their name before going to the next step. So here we actually collecting the name, and after that we want to collect the email address. For that you have to use the same thing, get user data, and here by default it will be select as email. All right, so here you can actually enter the name. So here if you want to say whatever the name they have entered in the first step, you can simply select that as the variable full name. All right, and after that we have to ask them their phone number. So before that, when they actually share their email address, you have to set the email opt-in as well. So here if you want to send any kind of email marketing or emails for the customers within this particular flow builder, you have to set the email opt-in as well, as you see here. So let me select this email opt-in over here as well. And after that, what you have to do here is that you have to collect the phone number as well. So let me simply collect the phone number, send message. The next step will be collecting the phone number over here. So get user data. So you have to make sure you choose phone over here and disable the skip option. Paste. Okay, now we have collect the phone number, and like we did for the email, we have to set the opt-in for the SMS as well. So that means we have the permission for them to send the SMS. So when it comes to GDPR, those kind of regulations, you might need to get these opt-ins in a different way, like you have to get the consent from the customers saying we will be sending this kind of promotional messages to your SMS and to your phone number and emails likewise. And here once they have provided the phone number, we simply want to send a confirmation message over here saying this kind of message. So in the username we have to replace it with this full name over here. Full name, done. So we have actually created this particular simple flow over here, and after that we want to send them an SMS. So this, it says SMS. So to sending SMS is very easy and straightforward. What you can do here is that you can simply send message. So if you want to push a customer SMS, just choose SMS over here. You choose SMS, and here choose text and simply paste that particular message saying they have actually signed up for the SMS. So after that, if you want to send the emails, you want to send this kind of emails, let's say, we can simply send by using simple block send email. And another important thing is that you actually need to connect your email account over there. You can connect at your personal email address or even your business email accounts as well. So here we want to send this kind of email for the customers. So let me simply copy, and here you can actually, we don't need any headline, those kind of things. You can simply paste this thing over here, and here you can replace it with full name. So whatever the name the customer enters over there, we'll be sending. So we can change this as subject, and pre-header we can use the same thing as well. And if you want, you can have any kind of buttons as well. So let's say if you want them to visit website, you can do that as well. So here, alright, so I put this particular link. When someone click on visit website, they can visit the website as well. And here it says your company. Let me replace it with chatting media over here. Chatting media. Alright, so we have actually done with this SMS email as well. So we have actually created the full flow over here. So we can actually test this on any channel we want to test, because we actually choose this omni channel option as you see here. So what I can do here is that I can test this on the IG DMs as well. So here I'm going to do something different. Instead of testing by usual preview, these kind of things, so you can also send specific flows to your customers just using this send flow option over here. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to send a test message over here from my test account. Let's see if it works. So let me send a test message, hi, to see everything works. Alright, I received hi as you see here. So now let me share my Instagram profile on my mobile and show you how this actually works. So here we are in the Instagram as you see here. So here I'm going to send this specific flow in the list building SMS email. Otherwise you can actually activate any kind of keywords, those kind of things are possible as well. So I can show that as well real quick. So let me automate responses. So here let's say if someone sent me this kind of keyword list, I want to send the bot flow which is says SMS omnichannel list building SMS email. So that's the flow name over here as you see. So if someone says list, that particular chat flow or this conversation trigger will be activated over here. So it says active as well as you see here. So let me show both of these things over here. So you can even simply send this particular flow for the customer and choose Instagram over here and see what happens. And as you see, the customer actually received this message and they can tap on this button as well. Otherwise what you can do here is that I can simply send a message list over here and test this one as well. So as you see here, when I send list, it's simply activated because in the automated responses we have this list and this flow will be activated. So that's just a demo of how this chatbot flow can be started on Instagram. So let me choose become VIP over here. So what happens is that it simply says we are excited to have you here, may I know your name please. So this is the user view over here and this is the omnichannel inbox view. So I'm showing both of these things together. So let me say this name over here, Mugunt, and after that it simply asks for the email address. So let me provide an email address over here, and after that it simply asks us the phone number as well, 917-243-5673. so I'm providing a phone number as well. Let's see what happens. So it should send us an email, SMS, and also this particular confirmation messages. As you see here, it says thank you for providing your details, Mugan, you are now API, those kind of things. So let me show the email I received over here. So let me open the email on my mobile, and as you see here, this is the exact email we received over here. And let me show the SMS we received as well. So let me open the SMS channel over here on my mobile and show you the demo as well. So as you see here, this is the exact SMS we received over here. So in the omnichannel inbox, you can check the SMS, those kind of things as well. And here we have set up the exact SMS over here. If you want to check again, the exact SMS is set up over here. So that's how you can actually build the customers list, such as you can collect the SMS, email, and also do SMS and email marketing while enabling the customers to chat via Instagram DMs, Messenger, or any other channels as well. So if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.